Good evening, everyone. This is Labhyans, and you are watching Labhyans YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope all are doing good. Okay, I do not want to get bored on my blog because if I get bored, then you will not watch my video. So that's why. Okay, I will talk to you today that if you are a shy when you talk with people, like in English, then how to how to rectify it, how to remove. Basically, what happened with us when we talk with people, then we feel very shy what to talk, what to speak, how to speak, because we are beginners. So we think about self that if I speak, then maybe I can, like I want to speak something, and maybe by mistake I can speak something else. So it's happened at earlier at initial phase, but we have to work on that. So do not be shy. uh, so as you can see that it's been 17 days I have been making video. What do you think that I haven't done mistake? Yes, I have done lots of mistake on my blog, but still I am making. When I make my video on my public places, I also feel lots of shy. But if I feel a shy, then how I will make video for you? So do not shy. And along with me, Sambu and me, I was talking about the shy. That Sambu is having role. I also have eaten role. He mad. He is a very good professional cooker too. So he made role. Really, I like it, and as well as chicken paneer. If I am not wrong, it is right.
Chicken chili.
Yeah, chicken chili. That was very great, and I look from outside. I and by the aroma, I got to know that it's going to very tasty. So I will have after some time. You can look at the view from my roof, how it is, and really all houses lighting is on, look like Deepavali, but it is not a Deepavali season right now. It is a normal day of Bangalore, and just I was outside, and just I was come out from room, and just enjoying the moment. And usually whenever I come at room, I sit on on the stair, as you have already. One thing more that I am talking about sigh. So why do we sigh, man? We should never sigh, because nobody will give you anything free of cost. Like if you are getting sigh, then who will give you? Like who will do work for you? Nobody will do work for you. You have to work, and if you do work, then you will get. So do not sigh. It is a very normal thing. When you start something, then people will sigh, but as you reach at that certain time, they will not sigh on you. So start. Nobody is giving to you anything free of cost, so we should never be shy. But yes, I understand when we start we feel shy, but it is what it is. But we have time, and we can rectify ourselves. It is so. Just I was like, you can see that I am also very shy person, but I am trying to rectify it. I do not want to sigh. As you have already seen many blog, I started sitting over the staircase, and I made video. I am still remember when I started my blog, I made video on a staircase. So I was talking sigh. So usually whoever you are looking, whoever reach a certain position or such a certain goal or achieve something, they also face lots of problem, lots of issue. They also face sigh. But we we are human being. Whenever we go, then we see lots of people, then that time we feel shy, we get very nervous, and we feel what to do, how to speak. But we do not need to sad, we do not need to become nervous, because it is your life, and you have to achieve your goal. Nobody else will help with you. when you will achieve what you want to achieve, then they will come and they will help out to you. So do not shy, and wherever you are getting time, wherever you are walking, wherever you are going, just on phone and open the camera and talk with camera. Then it's will literally your confidence will gain, and day by day you will see yourself that you are gaining, you are getting confident on yourself. So you can do, as I started my blog, you can see I was not very confident, I was very nervous, but as I started day by day, I am getting improved. I believe that if I do regular basis, then I can achieve what I want to achieve, what I am looking forward in my life. And thank you so much watching my video so far. And if you are beginner and haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe and do support me and motivate to make a more video like that. So when you subscribe, it's you give me motivate to make more video. So thank you so much. See you in next blog. Good night and great evening ahead. It is just still evening, you can enjoy yourself, you have time, or else just go in bed and sleep. So thank you, bye.